Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to bring back command bar. So we have this command bar in the bottom here. You can click the X icons to close. And if you want to bring back the command bar, you can type command line and press enter. Or the other options, you also can use Control and +9 to show and hide the command bar. So you can press Control +9 button to hide, and then press Control again and press the 9 to show. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to bring back command bar.